So how we solve this minimum spanning tree problem? By using the Kruskal algorithm. Okay, so in case of Kruskal algorithm, we first write all the nodes and all the edges between the nodes and their weight. So the first one is A to B. A to B, the weight is 4, and from A to H, the weight is 8, and from B to H, the weight is 11, and from B to C, weight is 8, and from H to I, weight is equal to 7, and from H to G, weight is equal to 1, and from I to G, the weight is equal to 6, and from C to D, it is again 7, and from D to F, it is 14, and from G to F, yes, G to F, it is 2, and from F to
E
E,
10.
it is
10
and from D to E, it is
9
9. It is 9. So in this case, Kruskal algorithm, again we find the minimum age between two vertices. Again we find first the minimum age between two vertices. So which one is the minimum age between the vertex? That is 1. Okay, from G to H, okay, H, or we can say H to G. So H to G, you just say first. Okay, and in this case, in the Kruskal algorithm, again we find the minimum age between any two vertices. There is no any limitation to find the age between the connected one. There is no any limitation. Again we find the minimum age between any two vertices. Okay, so you just find which one is minimum. The 2 is minimum. 2 is minimum between G to F. So we will select this one. G to F. Where is G to F? G to F. This one is second. And again the same process is repeated. So which one is the minimum? The 4 is minimum. Clear? 4 is minimum between A to B. So we select this one. 4. We'll select 4. Clear? So A to B. This one is the third step. And again we'll find the minimum one. So which one is minimum? 6 one is minimum. So this is the 6. Between I to G. Or G to I to G. This one. That is the 4th step. And the next step is find the minimum age between the two vertex. Okay. So which one is the minimum? 7 is minimum, but the 7 is present here. 7 is present here. So first I to H, will not consider this one because it forms a closed loop and we are finding the tree. We are finding the tree, and in case of tree there is no closed loop is possible, so will not consider this 7. Clear? And suppose here is no closed loop are here, and this 7 and this 7 both are eligible, so which one will select? So anyone you can select. Okay, anyone you can select, but you select just only one. Clear? क्यों ऐसा कर सकते हैं अपन? इसलिए कि नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर मैंने एक को सेलेक्ट किया तो नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए वो फिर बच जाएगा, तो अगर उसको कंसीडर होना होगा तो हो ही जाएगा. ठीक है, बट इन दिस केस द क्लोज लूप इज नॉट पॉसिबल, सो विल नॉट सेलेक्ट दिस वन, विल सेलेक्ट दिस वन between C to D, between C to D, so we'll select C to D, and again we'll find the next minimum age. So next minimum age is 8. Clear? 8. Yes. 8. And the next minimum age is again here is 8 and 1 8 is here present, and both are eligible. So first we can select this one. So next time we'll select this one because there is no any closed loop is possible. No closed loop is possible. Okay. So next one is the 9. Next one is 9. So we'll select this one 9. So all the vertices are visited. Any vertex are remaining? All the vertices are visited. Okay. And the minimum number of spans are required. We calculate all the weights of the edges. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9. That's it. And this is the minimum spanning path. This is the minimum spanning path. Okay. So the path is and how many edges are required here? How many edges are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges. And how many vertices are here? 9. Clear? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 vertices. So all the method is fit, and this is the another method through which we can find the minimum spanning tree. But the only one solution is possible. Only the single solution is possible by applying the method. Clear? And this classical method is also we can apply on the disjoint graph or the component graph. But the Prim's algorithms are not give the freedom to compute the minimum spanning tree of the disjoint graph or the connected graph or component graph. Clear? So this is the minimum spanning tree. Topic is finished. Okay. Thank you.